If your iPhone is showing a message not sent error for normal text messages, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you some quick and effective solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive into the fixes. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings and enable Send as SMS setting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, find the Message app, tap Messages. Ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on and send receive. And make sure to active your iMessage on iPhone with number or Apple ID. Go back, scroll down. Here you will see an option that's called Send as Text Message. Make sure to turn it on. Solution 2. Restart the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Find the Messages app and swipe it up to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Now check whether you can send any text or not. Solution 3. Enable background app data. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap on it. From this setting, make sure to set this to cellular and Wi-Fi. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. Solution 6. Contact your carrier. If none of these solutions work, it might be an issue with your carrier. Contact your carrier's support for assistance. That's how you can fix the message not sent error for normal text messages on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.